Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Forms to PDF. This is incredibly useful when you need to share your form offline, archive it for records, or print physical copies for distribution. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. You'll need to log in using your Google account credentials if you haven't already. This will take you straight to your Google Forms dashboard where all your created forms are stored and organized. Once you're in your Google Forms dashboard, look for the Recent Forms section. Here you'll see all the forms you've been working on. Go ahead and click on the specific form you want to convert to PDF. This will open up the form editor, giving you access to all the tools and options you need for the conversion process. Now, in the upper right corner of your screen, you'll notice 3 dotted lines. This is your menu icon that reveals additional options. Click on those 3 dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Print. This might seem counterintuitive since we're creating a PDF, but the print function is actually what gives us access to the PDF conversion feature in Google Forms. After clicking Print, a new window will open up showing you a print preview of your form. At this stage, navigate to the Destination section. You'll see a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on that drop-down menu, and instead of selecting an actual printer, choose Save as PDF. This tells your browser to convert the form into a PDF document rather than sending it to a physical printer. Before you finalize everything, you have some customization options available. You can specify which pages you want to include in your PDF by clicking the drop-down menu and selecting your preferred options. This is particularly helpful if you have a lengthy form and only need certain sections. Next, click on More Settings to access additional customization features. This opens up a whole range of formatting options that let you tailor the PDF to your exact needs. Here you can customize the paper size, adjust how many pages appear per sheet, modify the margins, and change the scale of your form. You'll also find options to include or exclude headers and footers, as well as background graphics. Take your time with these settings to ensure your PDF looks exactly how you want it to appear. Once you're satisfied with all your customization choices, click Save. Your browser will then prompt you to choose a location on your computer where you want to save this PDF file. Select your preferred folder or location, give it a meaningful name if needed, and click Save one final time. Your browser will process the conversion and save your Google form as a PDF document to your chosen location. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Google form into a PDF that you can now share, print, or archive as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.